I am George, a 58-year-old retired engineer living in Dallas. In recent years, my life has changed drastically due to an unexpected problem: neuropathy. The tingling in my hands and feet, the numbness, and the constant pain made the activities I always loved, like woodworking and morning walks, almost unbearably challenging. That was until I discovered Nerve Revive 360, and this discovery changed my life in ways I never imagined possible. Neuropathy is something that may seem like a small inconvenience at first, but over time, it starts to affect every aspect of your life. For me, it began with a slight tingling in my hands. I ignored it, thinking it was just something temporary. However, this tingling soon turned into pain and numbness, and these sensations began to spread to my feet. Waking up in the middle of the night due to pain became routine. I found myself increasingly frustrated, as something as simple as holding a tool or walking in the park became a challenge. I tried everything, from physical therapy to various supplements and medications that promised relief. However, the results were always the same: temporary if I felt any improvement at all. My frustration was at its peak, and I started to fear that my independence and my ability to enjoy the things I loved were slipping away for good. It was at this point that, during online research, I came across Nerve Revive 360. I admit I was skeptical. How many products out there promise to solve your health problems miraculously, only to end up being a waste of money? However, something about Nerve Revive 360 caught my attention. Maybe it was the emphasis on 100% natural ingredients, or perhaps it was the number of testimonials from people who, like me, were facing challenges with neuropathy and had found relief. What really piqued my interest was the promise that Nerve Revive 360 not only temporarily relieved symptoms but also addressed the root of the problem, helping regenerate damaged nerves. Additionally, reports that the product also contributed to better sleep and increased energy made me think that maybe, just maybe, I could find real relief. I decided to give Nerve Revive 360 a try. After all, the product came with a 60-day guarantee, so I had nothing to lose. I started taking the capsules daily as recommended, and to my surprise, within a few weeks, I began to notice a real difference. The tingling in my hands, which used to be constant, started to subside. I was able to sleep through the night without waking up from the pain in my feet. But the most incredible thing was when I realized I was regaining strength and dexterity in my hands. For the first time in years, I could spend hours in my woodworking shop without feeling the need to stop due to pain or weakness. These small progresses gave me new hope and a renewed desire to return to the things I loved. Walking in the park, which used to be a painful task, has now become enjoyable again. I regained the confidence that I could stay active, strong, and independent for many more years. If you, like me, are struggling with neuropathy and feel that you are losing your independence and quality of life, I encourage you to try Nerve Revive 360. I know what it feels like to think that nothing works and that pain is an inevitable part of aging, but I can assure you that this doesn't have to be your fate. Nerve Revive 360 gave me more than just relief. It gave me back the joy of living. I'm back in my workshop, creating things with my own hands, and I'm walking every morning, enjoying every step. And the best part is knowing that I'm taking care of my health in a natural and safe way, without side effects. Don't spend any more time suffering. With the 60-day guarantee, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Give Nerve Revive 360 a try and regain the vitality you thought was lost. I am living proof that it is possible, and I am sure that you can benefit from this natural and effective solution as well. Try Nerve Revive 360 today and see the difference it can make in your life. Don't let pain and neuropathy control your future. Seize this opportunity and regain your strength, independence, and passion for life. To help you, I've left the link to the official website below the video.